everyone, how are you all? I hope you all be good. So my name is Chef Rahul Manka and once again welcome to my YouTube channel. So today guys I'm gonna show you how to marinate the beef tenderloin steak and how to grill it. So let's start. So guys, first of all we will put this olive oil, and you can see I have a lots of tenderloin steak over here. So we will put olive oil, and then we will put sea salt, Maldon salt. Okay, so this two mixture is very important. And now we will put fresh pepper. Okay, so we will mix it all guys nicely, because we have a lots of tenderloin steak and it's for a bulk orders. So carefully we will mix all of them. You can see I have a lots of tenderloin, so it takes a time to mix with everyone, because I already put on the meat olive oil, sea salt, and fresh pepper. So I have to mix it nicely, because I don't want to keep anything uh, without marinade. So I think it's done now. So it's time we will guys grill it. So you can see the tenderloin, it's grilling, and you can see the smoke as well as it's a nice fragrance if you will grill any kind of meat. So the flavor of it's amazing, it's a delicious flavor. So you can see continuously guys, and I have a lots of as well as aside, and some of portion I put for the grill. So you can see the texture of tenderloin after grill, it's looking amazing. So I will flip it all. Why I'm not putting all of this tenderloin guys, because it takes it can be burned. Basically I would like to let you know it can be burned. So because of that I put five, six pieces in a one time, so I can move, I can flip easily to all of them. So you can see the texture of the color of grilling um, behind the tenderloin, it's looking amazing guys. So this is the process when you want to marinate the beef tenderloin and if you want to grill it.